Kokuma, which of your sons is interested in my daughter? Tell that stupid son of yours to back out. Otherwise,
okay, I'll put her. Amrani, which of my responsible sons will be interested in your good-for-nothing daughter?
Ask them, not me. If you don't want to bury them, I can't want them. Want them very, very well. Majo.
Koko, na minya kwa.
No, Koko, Omoribora.
Me metra me ba. Awari Amrani. Just mawu kwa me sama kura no empene. Amrani, nkoti amente.
Dada, I know. What is actually going on between our family and Openye Kokuma's family?
I know, nam. Ebianya mama dama na ohode. Nyada kama galio. Ekpanya njode togbe oji afie kwa. Kokuma over pomoto. Owi.
Dada, okay. I don't think this is wholly true. There might be some other factors.
Nyakata kunyama nyada kama galio. Jodri afia ku. Yours be me ha me papa ma center. Yo na nyunu ma ha ejadaba. Asama.
So, does it mean there can't be any possible marriage between someone from our family and their family?
Anyo magatrito. Anyo magatrito lo. Anyo maba magatrito. Sa nyakata konya mama ba ao. Asama maba ao. Davia. Nyara jojom. Bo, alo na janyare la po mama. Manya onya bia mala. Na nya be na vai janyare la po mama. Kana jira dosia. Esama. Chona namba chima wonu na macho.
Ragazzi,
Ramado.
Thank you. No, thank me.
Who is that person? Huh? I saw someone with you. I said, tell me who is that person? Huh?
no.
Hey, then what are you doing here all alone? I suspect there's someone with you. Should I find that person? Both of you will be dead. You are lucky. You have to go.
Why should I go?
What has he done again?
Nchoko yaklo, mi afonu le fasu na dadam.
Iri?
Yakema college be. Ela ahia jam.
Afika.
La fa mama.
Makabakama.
Okuma wa fa mama.
Over my dead body. Not until I die. It will never happen.
Kanacho kaba. Kanachoro.
Oh. Anyo rivia nyugalo. Eh? Bagbo tu jemi agoma. Anyo rivia. This little akba this girl want to spoil my appetite. Oh Bobo, look, I know where I will kill this girl. I know.
Oh.
Kokuma. A which of your sons is interested in my daughter? Tell that stupid son of yours to back out. Otherwise, okay. I'll put her Amrani. Which of my responsible sons will be interested in your good-for-nothing daughter? Ask them, not me. If you don't want to bury them, I can't want them. Want them very, very well. Majo.
Koko na minya kwa he.
No, Koko. Omo ibora.
Me metra ma me ba. Awari anwani. Jise mawu kura me sama kura no empene. Anwani mi kwati amenti. Aja nkofo pa so de o mo pa. Boa, I want you to ask your sons for me. Which one of them is going out with Effo's daughter? I will not go out with any woman from that family, let alone Effo's daughter. Papa, if you have any question, ask Owusu.
Owusu, are you going out with Effo's daughter?
Owusu, are you going out with Effo's daughter?
Papa, I'm innocent. I'm innocent of Effo's accusation.
Also, I trust Buddha, but you, I cannot. I am going to set spies on you. Should you be involved with her? Also, I will kill you. I will kill you.
Owusu, you must be very careful. Must be very careful. Oh.
Mama, me call everyone more.
Anyo, Papa, is your mother telling me the truth or not? Hey, will you answer my question? Hey, get get one thing clear. From now, I am going to be monitoring your movements. Sure. Hey. Should you see any shouting man in your dream, open your eyes. But tomorrow, not the wrong side of me, don't tempt me to see the wrong side of me here. I have gone there to warn them. Get out of my sight! Baba, get out of there! Sure. Who you mean? Level. Baba. I want you to start monitoring her from now. Follow her every minute of the day.
Merci.
Huh?
Merci.
And you may go to continue your work. Oh, complain halfway. Only complain you give. You don't know how to control the game. The two of you will meet me. Sure.
Owusu, with all this pressure on us, what are we going to do?
I've told you to leave everything to posterity. All what we have to do now is not keen to anybody, or if you're not doing anything suspicious.
See, my mother told me my father is monitoring me. He asked Lebene to follow me.
Me too. Then I think Lebene might be following you to this spot. All what we have to do now is we choose a location. We come and live there individually. Is that right?
I think that is how we can manage it for now. What at all happened between our two families? It might be something terrible.
So I'm told. They don't give us the details. We need to find out the truth. What my family will do, I will still love you. Owusu!
Manye! So you are the asante dog who... Eh? You are the one saying my sister. Look, I'll beat you. How many times have you done the thing? Hey! How many times have you done the thing?
How long shall we handle? We can and should be loved by us. No matter where you're coming from the north or south or east or west, nothing matters more than the love we have to share.
Also, hey! Have you been attacked by Efo and his son?
No, Papa. I fell on the rock when I was visiting the traps.
I thought they attack you. You have to be very careful on this rock, so.
Hey, Joe! Phew! Thank your stars that a label gave you that small wound. Next time I will shoot you dead. I warned you never to get closer to my daughter. Huh? Next time, Joe, you will not survive.
Therefore, next time you see him with your daughter, kill him.
I will kill him. Joe.
Was so antikasa. Hey, Owusu, you have reduced me to nothing in front of Efo. Did you lie to us? Huh? Fool, did you lie to us? Stupid boy. Today you are fixed. Papa. Jamil if I go run it to.
Agnon.
Papa.
Va, fille. Agnon.
Papa.
Why did you run away to them? What were you and that Wusu boy doing there? Agnon.
Papa.
Did he do the thing?
Papa, no.
Then what did you run away? What were you doing there?
Me tama pumla, me aba fuma.
Shoo, me put it now.
Papa.
Have I given you any job to discuss their family with that Wusu boy?
Oh, Papa.
Then why? And you call me?
Papa.
Vafi. And
Papa.
didn't I tell you I don't want to see you and that Wusu boy?
Yes, Papa.
No, no.
Mama, no kukuna.
Why are you?
Oh, Papa. Oh, Mama, no kukuna. Mama, no Papa.
Get up, go to your.
Papa.
Go to your.
Papa.
I have told you, Enyo, don't tempt me. I will kill you, Enyo. You and your tata will come and meet me here. Sure. I told you that I don't like you and that boy's company. You. What? Keep quiet over there. Also. What are you doing here? No, it's too dangerous. All eyes are on us.
Also, we have to go and see the chief priest tomorrow for protection and explanation to what is going on. Our lives are in more danger now. Also, bye.
What should we do? Should we run away?
Nana.
Yes.
Could you please explain to us the impasse between our two families to us?
The truth behind the problems, all the hatred between your families has never been told for the past 40 years. Now that you have asked me, I must tell the truth. Somewhere in the year
very soon, we are going to be husband and wife.
Please, would you love me to the end of time?
You still don't believe me? You know what? We will go to the chief priest tomorrow for blood covenant.
What? Blood covenant? Okay. Nana, we've decided to take blood covenant to show our commitment for each other.
you don't need blood covenant to show your commitment for each other.
Nana, I have tried in vain to persuade to change her mind, but she is not convinced.
If you want it done, I will do it for you. But there is a price to pay. Should any one of you fail to honor the promise you made to each other, both of you will go mad. Dam, dam, dam.